Strong economic growth, aging population and increasing affluence have fueled a strong and growing demand for death care services in Asia. Increasing awareness about quality death care services and growing acceptance of pre-need death care services also provide additional momentum for the growth of the death care services market. Nirvana Asia Limited is the largest integrated death care service provider in Asia in terms of contract sales, revenue and land bank. Founded in 1990, our group operates across multiple countries in Asia and our brands are widely recognized in our home markets. We offer integrated premium death care services through a network of 10 cemeteries, 12 columbarium facilities, 6 on-site crematoria and 2 funeral homes in Malaysia, Indonesia and Singapore. We are the #1 provider of death care services in Malaysia, commanding 31.1% market share, larger than the #2 provider by 5.5 times. Within the burial services market in Singapore, we are also the #1 provider with 34.8% market share, leading the #2 provider by 5 times. Our comprehensive and personalized offerings allow us to cater to a larger market and cross-sell our products and services effectively. In addition, we strategically target the premium segment of the death care services market by offering premium quality and customizable products and services. As a result, in each of our home markets, we have been able to achieve significant pricing premium over other providers. We are a pioneer in the pre-need death care services market, and we have been offering pre-need services since 1990. The pre-need segment in our home markets remains under-penetrated and highly attractive. By offering pre-need services, we are able to introduce our brands, products and services to potential customers much earlier. We are also able to more effectively cross-sell our comprehensive product offerings to our pre-need customers. We have established Nirvana as the largest provider of pre-need services in Malaysia and Singapore, and one of the largest providers of pre-need death care services in Indonesia. We have a successful track record of identifying attractive expansion opportunities and replicating our proven business model and best practices across new markets. Our network of facilities has expanded from 1 cemetery in Malaysia in 1990 to 24 facilities across Malaysia, Singapore and Indonesia. We are confident of replicating our proven business model into other attractive markets in the future, including Thailand, Vietnam, Hong Kong and China. We market our products and services through our network of exclusive third-party sales agents through their own social network. Our agency model provides us with significant cost advantages, scalability and flexibility. We have the largest sales force for a death care services operator in each of Malaysia and Singapore. As of 2013, we have over 3,000 active sales agents. Owing to our strengths and unique competitive edge, we have recorded strong growth over the past 3 years. Our contract sales grew at a CAGR of 13% between 2011 and 2013. Over the same period of time, our revenue grew at a CAGR of 9.4%. Our net profit grew at a CAGR of 43.4%, and our net profit margin expanded significantly from 15.7% in 2011 to 27% in 2013. Nirvana is led by an experienced, stable and professional management team. Members of our senior management team, on average, have over 18 years of relevant industry experience. To reinforce our leading market position, we have devised a highly actionable plan to achieve significant growth going forward. We will continue to expand the capacity of our facilities by acquiring land adjacent to our existing facilities. We plan to acquire additional undeveloped land for future development and replicate our proven business model across all locations. We will continue to selectively make acquisitions of existing death care operations and integrate these into our established network. We strive to further expand our sales agency network and increase the productivity of our sales agents. We will also continue to build on our recognized brand names to capitalize on our brand strategy. Nirvana Asia, the leading integrated death care service provider in Asia.